Hello and welcome to my Mandarin learning series. If you are starting from zero and want to learn Mandarin, you are in the right place. My name is Venus and I'm here to guide you through this exciting journey. In this first video, I will introduce my approach to learning Mandarin, focusing on three main areas. Learning 汉语拼音, monitoring your progress with 汉语拼音 and master 汉字, Chinese characters writing. The first step in learning Mandarin is to familiarize yourself with 汉语拼音. Pinyin is the romanization of Chinese characters. Based on their pronunciation, similar to the English International Phonetic Alphabet. It helps you learn how to pronounce Chinese words correctly and is a crucial foundation for your studies. We will start by learning the sounds of Pinyin, including initials and finals and tones. The second step is to monitor your progress with Pinyin. Consistent practice is key. I introduce you to various tools and exercises that can help you practice and perfect your pronunciation. Finally, we will move on to Hanzi, the Chinese characters. Learning to write Chinese characters may seem challenging at first. With the right approach, it becomes manageable and even enjoyable. We will start with the basic strokes and gradually move to more complex characters. I will show you step by step how to write each character, and we will practice together. Writing characters helps enforce your memory and understanding of the language. Through this series, I will provide tips, resources, and exercise to help you success. Remember, learning a new language takes time and patience, but with dedication and practice, you will make great progress. So let's get started on this wonderful journey of learning Mandarin. Now, let's begin learning Pinyin. Pinyin is the phonetic system used to teach Mandarin pronunciation. It is similar to the International Phonetic Alphabets in English and is essential for getting your pronunciation right. We will start with the basic sounds, which are divided into initials and finals. Let's go through them now. A, O, E, I, U, Y, Bo, Po, Mo, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, C, Z, Ch, Sh, R, Z, C, S, I, U. Initials include Bo, Po, Mo, F, T, T, N, L, G, K, H, J, Q, C, Z, sh, r, z, c, s, i, u. They are very straightforward. However, the finals includes single and compound ones. We have just gone through the single finals. R, O, E, U, U. They are also compound finals. I, A, We, Ow, O, U, Ye, Yue, An, En, In, Un, Yun, Ang, En, In, On. Remember, repetition is key to mastering these sounds. To help remember the sounds, I will sing the initials and the single finals in this way. R, O, E, U, E,波破摩佛的特呢了个可呵，机器系，支持是日，支持是以物。Is it fun? Now, let's try to pronounce based on the initials and finals. 我爱你 I love you. 乌偶我 A I I 呢以你乌偶我 A I I 呢以你我爱你 I love you. Keep practicing these initials and finals of Pinyin, and soon you will find them becoming the second nature. In the next video, we will start to practice the combination of initials and finals. Keep up the great work. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. And see you soon.